So next, we gotta draw this door and window trim. My guess is on your windows and doors, there's a little piece of decorative trim that's gonna wrap around the perimeter of the window. So it does a couple things. One, when they built the house, they built what's called a rough opening, and that's gonna be the opening in the wall that's roughly the size of the window. It's bigger, so the window fits. The problem is there'd be a gap. If you were to pull your door trim or window trim off, you'd see a gap between where the wall ends and the window begins. That trim kind of hides that gap and it makes it look pretty. So let's add the door and window trim. The plans want us to build this door and window trim 3 inches wide, 3/4 inch thick. So let's do that. Window trim's easier than the doors. Do those first. We're using a tool called the offset tool. It's under the push-pull, called offset. Okay? Don't click the mouse, just gotta hover it. Move inside the window. Okay? Click and hold and drag the mouse not inward but outside the window and drop, type in 3, hit enter and watch. 3-inch trim. Over here, same thing. Hover, click, hold, drag outside, drop, 3, enter, done. Next comes the thickness, 3/4 inch thick. I'm going to use the push-pull tool, grab just the window trim, hold on, get out of there, come back to it, just the window trim, hold on, okay, there it goes. Click, drag, 3/4 of an inch, that one's done. Over here, I lost it. Try it again. Hover, click, drag, drop, 3, enter, push-pull tool, hold on, push-pull tool, there it goes, push-pull tool, outward, 3/4 of an inch. Okay, door's a bit different, but not really. Watch here, same thing here. We can't do the offset tool because I can't have my trim go under the carpet and the floor. That'd be kind of odd. So here I've drawn it differently. I'm gonna use the measuring tool. Let's measure over 3 inches. 3 inches. Up 3 inches. Again, follow the red, green, blue axes, or it won't work. Here's going to be a green for 3. Now let's draw a line. Same way I drew my door. Just click on it. Oops, I missed. I missed. Do that again. Measure over 3 inches. Now line from intersection to intersection of all those. And use the push-pull tool. Outward, how far? Yep, 3/4 of an inch. Let me erase off my guidelines. One more to go, which is over here. Measuring tape, measuring tape. 333. And then add this little piece, and we got this step wrapped up. So all your doors the exact same way, windows exact same way. At your house, if you have thicker trim, narrower trim, that's no problem. Just drop this one here, that way it's the same for all of us. 3/4 of an inch. And then erase off my guidelines. And now we have the doors trimmed and the windows trimmed.